Hello, welcome back to another video. I haven't posted one in a little while, so I figured, I have a little bit of time, why not just post one. I will say that there was this new gun that came out, and I've been so busy I haven't had time to get it, but I finally got it. It was, it's called the Switchblade. And I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what I want on this Switchblade. I mean, I have some. I probably need to put a skin or something on it. Sure, why not? I don't really care. So, right now, this is what I'm at. And, of course you want everything green. But with a weapon that has a bunch of mobility, you don't really need mobility. So I have accuracy, range, and control. In accuracy, you always need that. So I got that up to 70. If you have any suggestions on how I can redo this so it could be better, please tell me so I can make better videos for y'all. This is what I found that is not just best for me, but an overall better gun, pretty much. I will be playing one game, maybe two with it. I just wanted y'all to see that I need a little bit of help since it's a new gun. Not really much known about it or whatever. I mean, I'm sure everyone has it just because everyone's always on. But like I said, I haven't had time to even make a short with it. Like the past couple days, I've just made like 15 shorts of Call of Duty just because I never have time to play. But yeah, we're hopping into a match right now. We're gonna see how this goes. I don't know. I'm kind of worried. I mean, it has a fast, age time on it. Okay, we got someone else using the switchblade also. Oh, this is close. I'm sorry. It's very intense. You just took my kill too, you butt. And you killed me. God. I mean, I do like it. I mean, it's definitely not better than M13 by any means, but it's really good. I don't know. Only bad thing with me is it don't have a lot of reload stuff, and I just lost by the skin of my teeth. God, that sucks. But see, He was using the switchblade also. I'm just gonna take. I don't really use other people's loadouts because that's like bad. But I'm gonna look at it, just see what is good, what's not, what I should use, what I shouldn't. You know what I mean? I don't know. It's kinda. I don't know how to explain it. Ooh. Well, I guess y'all are gonna see me. That's my first time crafting a skin. Honestly, that's pretty cool, not gonna lie. I like that. Huh. Well. Oh, shoot. After this game, I'll play one game with that skin. Just because I just got it. And. Oh, gosh. I didn't know he was starting. Oh my gosh, well, there is no way I'm gonna win this.
Enemy shock RC is coming.
Wow.
Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound.
Watch me getting second or something like that. Oh. Wow, I got third place. Holy crap. Jeez. See, he was using the switchblade too. He also used a suppressor. Wow, his has good hip fire though. That's what he does. See, only problem is with mine is I need to reload it like every 3 seconds.
Nice work. Well done.
And I know there's an extended mag, but here, let me just give you an example of this. The extended mag, see, I have fast reload, but the extended mag, the mobility goes down. And I know I said the mobility isn't really that big, but it's plus 15 magazine speed, but also fast reload that's pretty like, if I see, like, it makes the mobility go up. And everything I want to put, I want to get at least one thing up. I mean, I'll try with an extended mag, but I don't know if that's gonna be any good or not. Okay, yeah, I said I'd change the skin. Where's it at? Here it is. Oh, look. I got a new... Okay. I didn't know that. Well, let me try this out. I mean, I'll try out the extended mag. Let's see, what did I have, like 26? So it should have like 40 something, maybe. Yeah, 41. That is a lot better. Not gonna lie. Oh my gosh. gosh, you're such a daggum camper.
Hostile sentry gun in your AO.
Oh. See, he's using the switchblade also. Oh my gosh. See, look at this. And see, I could have used the sentry gun, but I ain't really here to win it. I'm just here to test the switchblade out. I do think the extended mag was a lot better. Honestly. It was a lot better. I do think that's what it was. But yeah, if you have any suggestions on what I should use on my switchblade, please tell me in the comments. I mean, I really see potential for this gun. I mean, I don't play any other Call of Duty games but mobile, but maybe that will change soon. But I see potential in this gun, on this game, just like the MAC 10 and the M13. I mean, it's a sprayer. It really is. Oh yeah, and on the Kasha, if you have any information about the Kasha for me, what is it? Right here. And if you see my shorts, you can see my stuff on it. But my accuracy, mobility, and control, it ain't really that up. If y'all have any suggestions on what to put on it to make it a little better, see, like most of the stuff, I mean, yeah, that could work, but that's AIDS time, and I need quick scopes. Stop. AIDS time, muzzle, AIDS time. See, like the good stuff like that, it takes a bunch of AIDS time away, and AIDS time is what you use for quick scopes. Honestly, why do I have that on there? Mobility, accuracy. I mean, that makes my accuracy go up. And my mobility. What about lazy? Accuracy. I don't know. I ain't gonna fiddle with it on camera. But if you have any suggestions about, most importantly, the switchblade, but if you have any about the Kasha, I'm all ears. Kasha and switchblade, that's just what I want to try out. I mean, yeah. Hey, we got a new skin. But yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, comment for help, and yeah, God bless.